Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to make a Barbie silhouette head cake topper. It's quite a quick video because I found an image of the outline of the silhouette head, which is exactly what I needed, and I just removed the background as usual and then download the image onto my desktop. Once that's downloaded, I delete the original and then open Cricut Design Space and then upload my outlined image. So you just want a single layer. So at this point, I just need to readjust the size so it's not too big. And then I change the color to pink. So with this cake top, I want that see-through effect. So the outline on top of 2 layers of acetate with glitter in the middle. So I have to then duplicate the outline. And once that's done, I have to go to contour, and I just needed the image filled so I could cut that for acetate and duplicate that, and then I'm going to get them all in the center, so align to center. Then I just look for my pink outline just so that it could be at the front, and this isn't really necessary, it's just so that you can see how the cake topper would look. And that's literally it, and that's the end of the tutorial. Here's the finished product. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.